Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades, Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri and Richerson.com. Well, I did not get the tilling done yesterday. Stopped at a friend's, picked up a planter for Sheri, and it delayed me just long enough that we took care of a couple of smaller things and didn't get up, get the tiller out and get it going before we sat down to eat dinner. We did go back out after dinner. I set a trap for the groundhogs. I'm going to try and attempt to catch some of the groundhogs and dispose of them. We also looked at the Beehive to see if it could be moved. And I was going to move it last night, except that it was full of ants. No bees. We haven't had any bees in it. Had it for several years, and there's no bees. But it kind of looks nice, and we were thinking about moving it into the front yard area instead of back in the back area. Since it doesn't have any bees anyways, we could move it and just use it for decorative purposes. But it was full of ants, so I didn't really want to try to move it. Not last night anyways. And we talked about what needs to be done with some of the trees and the fence line. So that's, some more project for me to work on. But I've got a basic plan in mind as to what, how I want to do things. And the way it's looking right now, the sky is darkening up like it may rain. So I may not actually get the tilling taken care of. We were also talking last night, looking at the garden area and talking about how we want to expand it a little bit, and where it needs expanding, and how far it can be expanded, in what directions. But maybe it might hold off long enough for me to get the ground tilled up. So, anyways, I think that's going to do it for tonight. So, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. And we will see you again tomorrow. Have a great evening.